Can Bitcoin hit $100,000 this year? What about Ethereum? Can Ethereum hit $10,000? Well, in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly if this is possible this year and how soon we could expect Bitcoin and Ethereum to hit those numbers. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stick around until the very end. So currently, right now, I need to share with you what's happening in the crypto market. Then we're going to get into our price predictions. So as I've been mentioning on this channel for the past couple of weeks, we've been watching the US dollar index, and it is finally breaking down, which is allowing cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum to break out and look very bullish and very big. I think the crypto market this week is going to do something that is going to blow your eyes. Let me know in the comments below if you think that that is going to be a possible and real scenario. But this is what's happening. The US dollar is continuing to collapse and to go down. This may be short-lived. This may be some type of quick retracement where it bounces back up. We don't know if that's going to happen yet. But the euro, the Japanese yen, the British pound is pushing against the dollar, dragging it down, and this is very good. When the other currencies around the world strengthen, the US dollar collapses. And when the US dollar collapses, cryptos pump and go up. So what we can see here, Bitcoin is $20,000. Ethereum is $1,350, right? Now, can Bitcoin hit $100,000 this year? Can Ethereum hit $10,000 this year? Well, what is going to take for Bitcoin and Ethereum to hit those numbers is the economy either needs to do two things. It needs to crash and just be absolutely terrible, and people will find something safe to put their money into, especially with a collapsing dollar, a dollar that's being inflated every single day as they continue to print so much money. In that type of scenario, people might find Bitcoin. This may or may not happen. They might find Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies as an answer and a place to hold their money. In that type of scenario, Bitcoin and Ethereum can hit those type of numbers very quickly. But I don't know if that's going to happen here this year or happen anytime soon. Let me know if you think it's going to happen sometime soon, and when do you think it will happen? Here's the other scenario. If the Fed decides to pivot and continue to print money, which will be very good for the stock market, very good for cryptocurrencies, and if this can happen for a couple of years, even with high inflation, people are going to obviously put their money into Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies because it is a safer place while the US dollar is being inflated. So these scenarios could push up cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to these price targets. I think Bitcoin and Ethereum could hit these price targets within 3 years, around the time of the next Bitcoin halving cycle, which is about 2.5 years from now, maybe 6 months to a year after the next Bitcoin halving. I think we could see Bitcoin $100,000, Ethereum $10,000. That is my conservative price estimate for those cryptocurrencies. About 3 years, 3.5 years. That's my price target, realistically, but it can happen a lot sooner. It can happen very fast, as we have seen. Remember, Bitcoin was $3,000 in 2020, and just months later hit almost $50,000. The same thing can happen for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies right now. In the next couple of months, it can happen, but I don't think it's very realistic at this point. But I do believe that cryptocurrencies are getting very close to bottoming out and starting some type of bullish run, although it may be short-lived before it continues to head back down. But as of right now, the immediate short term, Bitcoin and Ethereum are beginning to break out. And let me show you something very, very, very important. So Bitcoin has been in a downtrend since November. And guess what? Bitcoin is finally, let me show you this resistance level here. Bitcoin is finally, right now, excuse all the crazy drawings, attempting to break out of this pattern, which if it does happen, we are going to see a significant run. And these types of downtrends, when they are broken, the price target is the peak, the top of these trends. So this could take us to 69K potentially in months, a year, who knows. But this is very good that Bitcoin is finally breaking this year-long downtrend. This could be very good news for cryptocurrencies overall. If you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trade signals on the internet, join the Patreon right now. The link is in my video description, where I'm giving you buy and sell alerts for cryptocurrencies that you cannot miss. Go ahead and sign up now, and give this video a thumbs up if you got something out of this video, and please consider subscribing so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos.